Hello and welcome to the trade setup. In this video we are looking at Nvidia, and here on the large time frame we have a wave 1 up, a wave 2 down, and then another 1-2 setup, and now we are still within this very large third wave to the upside, and within it we expect to see a 5-wave move in an impulse, and within it we have a wave 1 up, a wave 2 down, a third wave up. And I am still considering if we already completed this third wave and we readjust it, or for something like this, the subwaves within it, but it is debatable and doesn't really matter too much at this point. Overall, I am still looking for direct upside in this case, and at the moment, even if we completed this third wave here, I would still expect a very large fourth wave, or well, large fourth wave, let's keep it at that. It's subjective what very large is, but overall I would then still look for higher in the third wave to the upside, and then this would complete this 1-2, and then this large third wave, and then we would need another 4-5 to complete this large third wave, and then another 4-5 to actually complete the entire impulse to the upside in 5 waves. And yeah, then we could actually end up seeing a very large correction for Nvidia. But yeah, we are quite away from that, quite away, and yeah, at the moment we should still focus on the shorter time frame, where we don't even know if we completed the third wave within this third wave within a third wave of a third wave. So yeah, we have quite a way to go. And in my opinion, now focusing on this area, on this impulse to the upside, I could count it in a few different ways. Now my preferred interpretation would be something like a 1-2, 1-2, and then this is a third wave up, and then we expect a fourth and a fifth, and then another fourth and a fifth to complete this movement to the upside here. But it is also possible still that we get something slightly different, where we have a wave 1 up, a wave 2 down, and then this would be the third wave up, and then the fourth and the fifth, and complete it directly. But at the moment we should look on the shorter time frame, and I am looking at this impulse to the upside in a wave 1 up, a wave 2 down, a wave 3 up, and in the fourth wave we had an A wave down, an overshooting B wave, and then a C wave down, and now we are in an ending diagonal in the fifth wave, and it is actually a diagonal pattern here, and yet within this we have a wave 1 up, a wave 2 down, a third wave up that could be complete. I am still debating that, but I expect another 4-5 in the short to mid time frame to actually complete this fifth wave before we head into some larger correction. And the area that I would look for support for such a fourth wave in this case would be from $157 down to around $122. So these are the levels I would look for before I would consider such a move invalidated. But now we may still actually head directly higher, where I'm considering this third wave an ABC pattern. It could be counted really as a 5-wave pattern, where maybe we had a 1-2, 1-2, a third wave up, and then a fourth wave or somewhere in this area, and then we continue in a larger fifth wave, and then maybe another 4-5 could be complete. Quite very possible. But I could also count it in a way where I have maybe an A wave up and a B wave down, and then in the C wave 1-2, and the third wave up, and now I would be looking for a fourth wave in this area, for which I could even provide you a support zone in this case. And I would be looking for, let's see, I would be looking for support in the area, and maybe it goes a little lower, yeah, here, but I will be looking for support in the area between $171.7 down to around $159.6 for such a smaller wave 4 where this third wave would extend. And in this case, I would be looking for an ABC pattern where I would expect the C wave to reach around the 100% extension of the A wave, which is the ideal target for a C wave. But remember, it doesn't need to get there and it doesn't need to stop there. But the ideal target would be around $168, although I wouldn't be surprised if we had even lower. And as I said, the support zone extends down to $159.6. So for now, these are the levels. This is the trade setup. I hope you enjoyed the video, and if you did, don't forget to subscribe and let me know what else you want me to cover, and I'll do my best to do that in the days and weeks ahead. And until then, I hope you have a nice day, and I hope to see you in the next video. Bye bye.